Loose tenon joinery is nothing new. They were used in shipbuilding more than 3,000 years ago. What's new is that you can now quickly and accurately create perfect mortises for loose tenon joinery with your plunge router. And you can buy Tenon Stock milled to tolerances tight enough to be used in exposed joints. Introducing the MORTY Loose Tenon Joinery Jig and Woodpeckers Precision Milled Loose Tenon Stock. MORTY uses a combination of template guide bushings and router bits to create 7 different sized mortises. The mortise sizes are the same as those made by the 2 Festool domino mortisers: 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 millimeter. But MORTY does all 7 sizes, not just 5 out of 7 or 4 out of 7. MORTY's built-in clamp holds stock up to 3.5 inches wide. And the template carrier adjusts to position your mortises right where you want them. We've engraved center index marks inside the template. Just spot the lines in the template with the center lines of your mortise, and you're ready to go. We've also included an index pin system on the bottom of the template carrier. When you're cutting joints at the end of your boards, the index pins are faster and more accurate than aligning to pencil marks. The threaded index pin holes on both sides of the template are precisely equidistant from the center of the mortise. So mating joints come out perfectly. For a stopped index further from the end, we've included 2 flip stops and stop rods. The flip stops have 3 flags, which allows you to accurately expand the size of your mortise when needed. The template can be adjusted to any angle within the template carrier. This opens up new options in compound angle construction. You can even make louvered doors. Just set the angle you want and use the index pin to give you perfectly spaced angled mortises. To go along with MORTY, Woodpeckers is offering lengths of precision milled tenon stock. This stock is a perfect fit in MORTY mortises and those cut by the Festool domino joiners too. The stock is perfectly sized to the mortise, so you can use it for exposed joints. Grooving the material behind the exposed end gives excess glue some room to move. Working with lengths of stock instead of pre-cut tenons means you can make your tenons as long or as short as you want. Just cut them to length as needed. If you already have a Festool domino, our Tenon Stock opens up design opportunities by creating perfectly fitting, exposed joints. Right now, we offer Tenon Stock in white oak and beech in all 7 sizes. More species will be added soon. And MORTY is the perfect companion to either domino machine. If you have the DF500, but every once in a while you need a large mortise, you need a MORTY. If you have the DF700 and you need a little mortise once in a while, you need a MORTY. MORTY comes complete with the 4 templates you need for all 7 mortise sizes, the 1/4-inch router bits you need for 8mm mortises, and sample lengths of 8mm tenon stock in both white oak and beech. Everything you need to get started on your first loose tenon project. You can get MORTY with a wall-mountable racket or in a sustainer. Get started in loose tenon joinery, or take what you're already doing to another level with the MORTY Loose Tenon Joinery Jig and Woodpeckers Precision Milled Loose Tenon Stock. Order yours today.